Hi, so this is just going to be a quick tour of my WordPress webpage. Um, so this is the home page that you'll arrive to when you enter the website. Below here we have our little categories area featuring the 3 categories I have for my website. Up here is the menu that you can use to navigate the website. And down here is the footer with the menu and the contact information. So we'll go ahead and just try these categories out. These will take you straight to the shop page, the specific shop page for the category, featuring another category menu on the side for each category if that is what the shopper would prefer. And then in the actual shop page, we have all of our products here. Each one with the 2-sentence description. Feel free to pause if that is something you would like to do. And then of course we have the account page that you can also use through the Universal Member plugin, and then the About Us page with all the information about the website. I'll scroll down slowly on this. And of course all these widgets down here, the text widget and the menu widget, are all integrated on all the pages. And so is the login on the left. And then we have the cart page over here. It's not in the technical menu, but it also shows all this as per the storefront theme. But of course I have nothing in my cart right now, so it won't show. But that is my website. Thank you for your time.